Hey guys, what we have here is a pre-owned ladies Rolex Datejust in Ever Rose Gold and stainless steel with the factory mother of pearl diamond dial. So let's take a closer look here. It's got the fluted bezel in rose gold, or as they call it, pink gold. And it is on the Jubilee bracelet. As you can see, for pre-owned, this is almost brand new looking, unpolished, very, very clean. Let's take a look under the clasp real quick here. And as you can see, it still actually has stickers on it here and on the back case and a few underneath here. So this model is practically brand new and barely worn. If you're interested in it, you can look us at www.watchnoble.com or give us a call or text at 949-302-4607. And once again, thanks for tuning in.